We're going to continue cutting our potatoes. And they're about the size of the onions. Our water is now boiling, so we'll take our lid off and we'll throw our potatoes down, making sure that they're separated as we put them in. We'll add our onions. We'll add our garlic chunks. I'm going to put the lid back on and we're going to reduce our heat down to about 4 or 5 to let them simmer. So we're going to turn on our front boiler, and we're going to take 2 cups of hot water. And we're always going to keep our handle pointed away from us so that if we're working we don't run into it, especially when you have something like hot water, or this way in case anyone comes by. So our frozen vegetables.